A lot of problems come with units, and we need to understand clearly what we mean by a dimension. A dimension is simply a measurable extent of some kind, a measurable thing. So we could have length would be a measurable thing. Maybe volume, like a milliliter. Any kind of measurable thing. So if something has, let's say, a point. A point has 0 dimensions. A line has length to it. That's just 1 dimension of length. If I take that into the second dimension, I now have 2 dimensions of length, but I'm still talking about length. 3 dimensions, so that'd be 2 dimensions. 3 dimensions, I now add another dimension of length, and it will pop out. It'll have a height to it of some kind. It'll pop out of the 2-dimensional plane. And we need to understand how these dimensions work, because every time I add a dimension, it's multiplied. If this is in inches, then my units for a 1-dimensional measure like perimeter or length would just be inches. But because in 2 dimensions I have inches times inches to get that 2-dimensional area, my units are inches squared. And a volume, because I would get inches times inches times inches, I get inches cubed or cubic inches. The exponent tells us what dimension we're in.